How to check email password. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check your email ID password. So let's get started. First, as you have to check for any safe password for the application. As for the iPhone, you got the application password app. Simply open password. Now after you open password and verify with your Face ID, at the top in the source field, search for your email ID. Now from here, if you find any email ID, simply tap on that. Now from here, tap on password. From here, you can view and copy your password. As you can also check it from the browser. Simply open any browser on your system. After that, tap on three dots at the bottom right. Now from here, tap on settings. From settings, tap on password manager. Now from here again, you can choose your email ID. Simply tap and you can view the password of that. And that's it. These are the ways you can check your email password. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.